Hello, I'm Spurti Sonkar from BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus, student at Equity Research Initiative 2013 Spring Chapter. The company allotted to me was PepsiCo, and I will be discussing about this stock and the company, indicating my final stock pitch report as a part of final assignment. Disclaimer: the values calculated are my own and have no bearing or responsibility if they are wrong and misinterprets PepsiCo. PepsiCo is an American multinational company headquartered at New York. PepsiCo was formed with a merger of Frito-Lay, Quaker, Pepsi, Tropicana and Gatorade. The company went public in 1919 with New York Stock Exchange under the ticker name of PEP. PepsiCo and Coca-Cola formed strong duopoly in the market in this industry. Market is generally niche, focusing on Generation Y customers with attractive taglines and sponsoring many sports festivals. The key statistics are current price, 52-week high, 52-week low, share volume, market capital, dividend yield, earnings per share, P/E ratio are as follows. Fundamental analysis for the first assignment, which included economy analysis, industry analysis and the company analysis. The company falls under the category of industry sector, the second largest sector following the service sector. The food and beverage industries has been showing a consistent growth since past 2 decades, and the chart shown in the slide will also indicate the same trend. The SWOT analysis of the company was performed, and PepsiCo was found to have a strong distribution center and broad diversification strategy, and is now actively moving towards the enviro-friendly approaches. By following the increasing trend towards the healthy food and striving hard to gain a new market, PepsiCo has shown a tremendous growth. The second assignment was on ratio analysis. Based on different ratios calculated in this analysis like EBITDA, current ratio, quick ratio, and comparing these with the peer industries like Kellogg, Kraft and PepsiCo, we can conclude that PepsiCo is doing well as the EBITDA margin and OPAT margin and different other margins are increasing. Third assignment involved valuation, where I calculated the current value of the stock to be $188 and the return on equity to be 8.02%, WACC to be 1.16%. The company paid dividends to the investors with a payout ratio of 54%. The true value of the stock is more than the market price. With the steady increase in EPS growth rate from the past few years and the true value being more than the market price, we can recommend the investor to buy this stock. I thank ERI for giving me this opportunity to learn different calculation methods and specific information about the industry. Thank you so much.